Today, we're diving deep into the world of secure access by implementing Oauth 2.0 authentication in your Spring Boot application seamlessly integrated with GitHub. First, we'll start by opening IntelliJ IDEA and creating a new Spring Boot project at the Spring Web and Spring Security dependencies. These powerful additions will get your project up and running with the essentials. Next, head over to GitHub and set up a new Oauth application. You'll need to provide an application name, specify a homepage URL, and importantly, a callback URL, also known as the authorization redirect URI. Be sure to note down your client ID and client secret. You'll need these soon. Back in IntelliJ, open your application property or application.yml file. Now it's time for configuration. You'll define the Oauth client details you got from GitHub, including the client ID, client secret. Specify the authorization URI, token URI from GitHub. Next, we will add the security configuration classes, where we configure Spring Security to handle Oauth 2.0 authentication flow. You need to set up how your application handles authentication requests and redirects users. Create an Oauth 2.0 login securitifying class where you configure the security filters and access control for your AP endpoints. Finally, after you have set up security configurations, when the Spring Boot application browse to the login page and see the login with GitHub button, click on the button. This will redirect you to GitHub. The user will be authenticated. After successful authentication, the user will be redirected back and be logged in. Now you have learned how to securely implement Oauth 2.0 with your Spring Boot application and GitHub.